oath of office, Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
President of the Republic of the Philippines.
Do not do drugs.
My campaign against drug will not stop until the last pusher and the last drug lord are may patayan, but it was not state-sponsored killing.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC,
pagbayaran niya lahat yung mga dapat pagbayaran niya.
Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Sinabi ng pamilya Duterte na walang inaprobahang in-person family visit kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte habang idinaraos ang confirmation of charges hearing. Gayunpaman, pwede pa raw nilang makausap sa telepono ang dating Pangulo. Sinabi rin ng pamilya Duterte na may 6 na Pilipino abogado ng dating Pangulo na dadalo sa confirmation of charges hearing. Sila ay sina dating Executive Secretary Salvador Mijaldea, dating LTFRB Chairman Martin Delgra III, dating DOLE Secretary Silvestre Bello III, dating Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo, dating BIR Commissioner Cesar Dulay at Alfredo Lim Jr. Aalamin po sa confirmation of charges hearing kung may sapat na ebidensya para ituloy sa paglilitis ng kasong crimes against humanity laban sa dating Pangulo.